Hi everybody, I just wanted to go over the assignments for the week number 6, quarter 3 module. So to begin, first thing, always check your email right here for any emails I may send you weekly, and also check announcements right here. And for the announcements, you'll see week 6, quarter 3, and we've got 5 assignments. So you'll have a quiz that's due on Monday/Tuesday, your fitness log. So also do Monday/Tuesday, and then you'll have a discussion, which will be due Wednesday or Thursday, depending on what class you're in. And then you've got your mile and a leg raise test due on Friday. So I'll get into each of the assignments, but just a reminder, always check your announcements to see the weekly assignments that we have due, and then also your inbox for your emails. So if you go to modules, you'll see week number 6, quarter 3, and you'll notice that it should be in, let me put it in student view for you. Okay, so you'll notice that it's now in student view, so you'll be able to see that some of the assignments are grayed out, that you can't click on them. So please make sure you watch this instructional video in its entirety. Once you've completed the video, then you can click next and it'll unlock the rest of the assignments. Okay, so the first assignment that we are going to go over is going to be the how to perform leg raises. So I have like the main instructions right here that you can read through, and then you can also watch the video to kind of get a visual of how to do leg raises. They're pretty, most of you guys have done them. They're pretty easy, and this is just a test to do them until exhaustion. So once you're tired, just write down how many you've done, and then that's it. So in order to submit your leg raise assignment, you'll go to the leg raise test, and then same thing, the instructions are going to be right here on how to do them. And then if you're not sure, again, you can always refer back to the video on the other page. And then to take the quiz, you're just going to do this test. Once you've completed it, click on take the quiz, and then you will just report your score. Okay, so it's just going to ask you, please write down how many leg raises you were able to do without stopping. The number must be a whole number. Okay, so don't do any halves or 3/4 or anything like that. And then if you cannot perform this test, please enter a 0 and email your teacher regarding your medical condition. So make sure that if you are putting a 0 because you can't do it for whatever reason, you are following up with your physical education teacher, letting us know what's going on with you. So say you did your leg raises and you did them till exhaustion and you completed, say 50, you're just going to write down 50. You'll go ahead and hit submit, and then you're done with that assignment. Okay, so this assignment is actually due, you have until Friday to turn this one in. It's just another practice test for the physical fitness stuff that we've been doing weekly. And then if you go to your module, you'll see the instructions for Monday/Tuesday's assignments. You have your fitness log book, so you'll do that. And this is basically just you'll be working out for 30 minutes. You can choose anything you want. One thing new that I did add this week, I'm noticing a lot of you guys are going out and you guys are walking for your 30 minutes, and that's completely fine. But instead of just writing, I walked for 30, you need to make sure that you're submitting a screenshot from your running app. So even if you choose to walk during using your running app, that's fine. Upload the photo so I can see that you actually did log in 30 minutes through your running app. Okay? Don't just write it on the assignment submission. If you are doing like a CrossFit type thing or actual fitness workout, make sure that you are including as much information as possible. So remember, this is worth 10 points. So you get a point for writing the date of the exercise session, the details of your workout, or the screenshot of your running app if you decided to walk or run. That's going to be worth 5 points. The total duration of your workouts worth 2, and your exercise intensity is worth 2 points. So if you're noticing that you're not getting full credit for your assignments, more than likely you're missing something that you're not submitting here. So just double check what you need to submit so you're getting full credit for your assignments. Okay, and then in order to submit this assignment, you just click on the blue button right here, and you can use a file upload, text entry, website URL, or Google Drive, any of those ways to submit your assignment. Okay, And then we'll go back to the next assignment, which is going to be your quiz. So you've got a reading today, and it's going to be the most effective workouts to get in shape for, in the least amount of time. So make sure that you're reading through this article. If it does not open, that's okay. Just click on the white link up top here, and it will open to a new page. Okay, so just read through this article, and then once you've read through the article, you're going to go ahead and go to the quiz, the most effective workouts to get in shape in the least amount of time quiz. Click on that, and then you'll read through the instructions. So if you read the article, if you click on this link, it'll take you back to the article. Afterwards, you take the quiz. You have 30 minutes to answer 10 multiple choice questions. And shout out to Zuria Mariano for creating this week's quiz. Thank you very much. And then to start, you're just going to click take the quiz. And like I said, you'll have 30 minutes once you start. Okay. So then next assignment is going to be your Wednesday/Thursday assignments, and you've got your cardiovascular day, which actually isn't due till Friday, but I always leave it on your Wednesday, Thursday day. Remember, you have the entire week to complete this, but I would like you to do it as soon as you can. Don't wait till the last minute because something always ends up coming up, or it may start raining on Friday. But just a reminder, you're going to run a minimum of 1 mile, track it on your cellular device if you go outdoors, screenshot the completed run. Make sure that you are showing me your date of the run, duration, distance, and running map. If you're using Nike Run Club, you make sure you're sharing the route on your Nike feed and submit the screenshot into this assignment submission box. Don't email it to me. And here are your running outside instructions. And then, so we have the NRC instructions. We did change them up a couple weeks ago, so make sure that you are following the instructions. I add a mile challenge every week. If you join that challenge, all you have to do is run it in there, and then when you submit I ran on Nike, I should be able to see it on the leaderboard if you follow these instructions here. And if you're not sure, watch the video. It shows you how to join the Nike Run Club weekly challenge, and I could see it more readily there. If you're going to run indoors, here are your instructions. Make sure that I see your treadmill screen that's showing me both your distance and your time. Some of you guys are only sending me one picture and it's not showing me both. Also, if I ask you to put a post-it on your on the dashboard of your treadmill screen, make sure that post-it is on the actual dashboard of the treadmill screen. Don't take a picture of your treadmill, then take a picture of the note and give me 2 separate photos. I want to see it all together in one time. Okay? And you're going to get points for your full name, date, and then your word of the week here. It's worth 2 points. And then you've got 3 points for your distance and 3 points for the time on the treadmill dash. Okay, so make sure that you're putting this piece of paper on the actual dashboard. Don't just give me a separate picture of the post-it and a separate picture of your dashboard. Okay? And then you've got, once again, Metaconda. Some of you guys prefer to email me the Metaconda because the video is a little large. That's completely fine. Just put in the comments right here when you click submit assignment. When you just text entry it to me saying I did Metaconda and I emailed you the video, and that's completely fine. I'll look for it in my email. Also, if you did the Nike Run challenge, all you have to do is write I ran on Nike Run. I should be able to see your challenge if you A, joined the challenge correctly, and B, completed it. Okay? If you're using Strava, just upload the photo to me. Okay? And if you have any questions, you're always feel free to reach out to me. I can always meet up with you during class time or during office hours, whatever is easier for you. And the last assignment we have for the week is going to be a discussion board. So just want to know your thoughts and opinions of returning to sports after COVID. So read through this prompt. I want you to write 5 sentences. It's worth 10 points, so you get 2 points per sentence. And just kind of want to know your opinion on how you feel about returning to sports after COVID. Okay, if you plan to do it, if it's a good thing or a bad thing, whatever you think, just share it with the rest of the class. And then to do that, all you're going to do is click on the reply button, and then you'll just write your response, and then it will post to the entire class. Okay? And if you have questions, Like I said, please feel free to email me if you need to meet for office hours, or if you need to meet on a Zoom, just send me a message and I'll send you a link. Okay, have a great week, you guys. Thank you. Bye.